everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Well, it's been a long time. Can you believe it? I did a little shopping. I know, shocker, right? So most of my items are from stitchfix Freestyle. I have a terrible addiction with that app, and I had some credit. So first, thank you for those that have used my link. I really appreciate it. Also, special thanks to my mother-in-law who gave me a Mother's Day gift card to Stitch Fix. And I also have my Style Pass renew. So between all the shopping and the returns and the credits, I don't know why, but I have some extra money to play with. So I've been going crazy and purchasing things. So there's a little story about each item that I'm gonna go through, all right? First up is this dress, okay? This dress is by Sanctuary. I'll give you the name of it. It is called the Sanctuary Stripes for Days midi dress. Now, typically I don't like a midi because I'm 5'2", but Kristen from Moments of Sanctuary got a similar dress to this from her JB Looks about a year ago, and I've been looking for a black and white striped dress ever since. I loved it on her. And then on top of that, Laura from Little Box of Happy got this exact dress this year from JB Style Box. And of course, as soon as I went on to their site, it had been sold out. So when this showed up in my Freestyle, you know, it shows up as trending for you. I said, yes, I want to try it, okay? So this dress is 56% cotton, 38% polyester, 6% elastane. You can machine wash cold, and I believe it's machine wash cold, gentle cycle with light colors, non-chlorine bleach, lay flat to dry. Okay, so this is a bodycon dress, which is what I was afraid of, and it looks teeny tiny. I mean, I know it stretches, but I'm not so sure I'm gonna be able to squash myself in this and look good. I will try, but I have a feeling you're going to see all my bumps and bulges, and I'm probably going to end up returning this. I do like it. I just don't think it's going to work for me, but I'm very excited to try it at least. This retails for $89. Okay, the next thing, again, on a Freestyle app. This had showed up a while. This is a name brand I definitely like. It's called Faherty. This sweater is 95% Pima cotton, 5% cashmere. And something I just recently found out is that the owners of Faherty are local to me. So this is an upscale name brand from people that live in New Jersey. They are out of Manhattan or they live in Brooklyn, but I guess they're you know, sewing and everything, I believe. Well, the design and everything, the corporate headquarters is out of Manhattan. So this is just like a very collegiate sweater, and you can see it kind of has like a ribbing, but it's not like a ribbed, like stretch sweater. It just has some ribbing knitted in, and it has the collar in this, I believe it's navy blue. Nothing around the sleeves, and just a straight across bottom. Yeah, this had showed up for me in Freestyle, and I had liked it. And I'm like, because it retails for $158. I'm like, And then, of course, I was regretting not getting it, and then it disappeared for a while. So then when it finally showed up again, I snatched it because I regretted not getting it the first time. So I'm eager to try this one on. And I don't know, you're starting to see a theme here. I don't know what's going on with me, but the stripes and the light and dark, I don't know. I got a thing going here. Okay, next up, if anyone you saw on my Instagram, I had seen these again first on Stitch Fix Freestyle, okay? I didn't get them because they were $89. And then I kind of regretted not getting them. I was kind of curious. Happened to go into a store called South Moon Under, where they were also $89, because that's the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Tried them on, and I love them. I posted a picture of them on Instagram, and then I said, you know what? I have these credits from Stitch Fix. Let me see if I can get it on there. I went on to Stitch Fix, could not find them. They were there, you know, they were there, but then they disappeared. So for about 24 hours, I kept being very diligent, kept checking back, maybe it's more like 36 hours. And then they finally popped back into their inventory, at which point I snagged them. All right, so these are a ponte knit, believe it or not. All right, so they're a legging style. They have these crazy wide fair legs. They're houndstooth with a tan and a black. And they do have a side zipper, so they are not pull-on style. And I'll tell you, when I tried these on store, they were tight. But I will not size up because I like the fit on them on me, and I know that they would relax over time. But getting these up over my hip was a challenge. So I'm just letting you know. And I do have a little extra weight on me these days, and that is possibly causing that too as well. All right, next couple items. Again, $89, $158, $89. Okay. So 2 sanctuary items and a Faherty sweater. Next up, Amazon. All right, you guys know I've been looking for one, a beret. This one is a much, much better quality than the other one that I had purchased and returned. That other one was like a felt thing, all stiff. It was awful. This one is a nice, soft. It's actually made out of acrylic, but you would never know it. It is so super soft. I think it probably must have some nylon in it too. There's something that makes it super soft. So I am probably going to keep this. It has a little thing here at the top. I'm probably going to keep this because it's what I was looking for. And I think it was about 20 bucks. And I'll give you all my links below so you can decide, you know, if you want it, you want to purchase it yourself. And this came in a ton of colors, but I wanted the camel color. Next up, also from Amazon. You know, you can't trust the reviews these days. So this got good reviews, and I've been looking for a camisole or a top, like in a kind of gold shimmery type of color, all right? So this online fit the bill, but this is so cheaply made, I have to send it back. So it's not finished. It has like a cowl neck, but it's not finished, and it keeps flipping up. There are threads already coming. I don't know if I can see it. I might have like pulled it already. Here it is. The threads are already starting to come out of it. It is just so cheap. I'm like, I cannot, you know, deal with this. This is almost 100% polyester. I think it has 3% elastane. It has like the ruching here on the side, so you could tie it and ruche it up if you care to. And it obviously has the tie here on the straps that are functioning. Yeah, this, I'll try it on for you. I do want something like this, but this is garbage. I'm sorry. Yeah, the quality of this does not meet my standards. Okay, next up, also from Stitch Fix. These are on sale. I lucked out. They're Casabella. They're the same ones that I already have, but in a different pattern. These are 50% Pima cotton, 50% modal. They are super soft and luxurious. I love the the ones I had, so when I saw these, I snatched them. They're kind of like a striped tie-dye, I guess it would be, so like a moderate tie-dye. Is it my favorite pattern? No, but they're pajamas, and I'm okay with it because they're so comfortable, they're worth it. Typically, I go up in pajamas, but these are an extra small, and yeah, I would like them a little bit bigger, but it's okay. They're very super soft and comfortable, and they don't bother me in this size at all. It's not like they're tight or uncomfortable. All right, I actually have to go to work, so maybe around lunchtime, you'll see me do a try-on. Okay, first up I have the Bodycon Dress on, and I'm deciding whether or not I want to keep it or not. So I have absolutely no shapewear on. This is my natural tummy, but it is morning. So as the day goes on, the tummy gets bigger and bigger. I don't know if I can get away with this or not. I will look back at the footage and try and determine and see what you guys see. It is a midi length on me, but I don't think it looks too bad. I think with the big slit on the side, it's quite helpful. It's just a bodycon, and I should have known that when I saw it. It goes very deep inside. I'm wearing a racer back, and you can still kind of see my racer back bra. You kind of have to push it back a little bit even more. And yeah. I mean, I like it. I just don't know if I feel comfortable in it with my stomach the way it is. All right, give me a minute and I will try on something else. Okay, up next are these crazy plaid pants. I will tell you they are snug, and getting them zipped up, I have to pull this together in order not to squeeze my skin. But I will not size up on these because I like the fit everywhere else, and I am trying to lose a couple pounds, and hopefully those come off these hips. This area right here, my inner tube. So this is the back of them, and these pants, these fit my current lifestyle. They're leggings, they're stretchy, you know? So this is very soft, very comfortable, very, you know, I can wear these to dinner, I can wear them sitting at my desk all day. This is perfect for my lifestyle. I paired it with just this black mock tank. I think in the winter, I'll probably pair it with like a ribbed turtleneck. You know, and there's tan in here too. I guess you can wear like I have a tan sweater I can wear with this. Yeah, and I have it on with pointed heels. Now, you'll see that the bottoms are long on me. They are like pretty much on the floor, but I'm not tripping on them. It's just to the point. I just make it. And this is my normal extra size extra small. And I am 5'2" for those that are watching and may be interested in these crazy plaid pants. Okay, and actually it's considered Houndstooth, okay? I'll come a little closer so you can see the pants. All right, and it's like a tan and a black combination. All right, give me the minute and I'll do the next outfit. Okay, up next, you'll have to excuse the noise. My husband cannot stop leaf blowing. I have on the pajamas. Yes, they are extremely short, but I figured if I ever were to model a bathing suit, it would be even shorter. But the pajamas, and I don't mind them this short, it's something I sleep in. And like I said, I usually like to size up on pajamas, primarily for this reason, but these are not tight. There's plenty of room around the leg. They're super soft and stretchy, so I don't have a problem with the size for the price. If they had the size small, I would have purchased them, but they didn't. So I already know from the other pair, I'm very perfectly comfortable in sleeping with these, and I wanted another pair, okay? So definitely recommend these pajamas when they're on sale. They're Casa Bella, and I got them for $31. Okay, give me a few minutes and I'll do the next outfit. Okay, so what do we think of this outfit? I have on the Faherty sweater, and I really love this sweater. It is a crop style. However, I'm only 5'2", nothing shows on me. The sleeves are a little bit long, but I'm okay with that. I know this is just a plain basic sweater, but the fabrication is absolutely beautiful. Again, 95% organic cotton, 5% cashmere. I don't know why I like this sweater so much, but it's calling my name. I'll show you the back of it, okay? The beret, you know I want one for a while. I don't know why, but I've been wanting a beret for a while. I paired this, I'll pan down so you can see my shoes. I paired them with taller boots and jeans, and these are straight leg jeans that I put into the boots. And yeah, I could totally see myself wearing this outfit like come October, November-ish. So yeah, it's fun. I like playing dress up. Okay, next up is the horrible Cami next. Okay, last up is the Cami. If this were a better quality, I would have totally kept it. But if they didn't even like sew this down, and it's like it doesn't stay down, and you can see the raw seam. And I think it's supposed to drape just a little bit more too. But yeah, I mean, it fits right well in the arms. Again, the straps are tie, and you can untie them. They have ruching here on the side, so if you wanted to ruche it, you could. I didn't necessarily think I needed to ruche this at all, but this one's going to be going back. I just do not like the fabrication of this. All right, so here's the back of it. And that is it. Thank you again for my returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. Click the notification bell and get notified of future videos from me, and give me that thumbs up. So what'd you think of my haul? I think I'm gonna keep everything but this Cami. I'm still thinking about the dress, but I think everything else I'm keeping. Let me know your thoughts and comments below. Take care, until next time.